Can German Shepherds be trained for obedience tests? German Shepherds are widely recognized as one of the most intelligent and trainable dog breeds. With their remarkable intelligence and keen ability to learn, they excel in various areas, including obedience training. Obedience tests evaluate a dog's ability to follow commands and demonstrate good behavior. This article will explore the question, can German Shepherds be trained for obedience tests? German Shepherds have been bred for generations with specific characteristics in mind, one of which is their trainability. They are known for their eagerness to please and their strong work ethic, which makes them ideal candidates for obedience tests. These tests typically involve a series of commands such as sit, stay, heel, and come. German Shepherds, with their natural intelligence and agility, can easily master these commands with proper training and practice. The key to training a German Shepherd for obedience tests is consistency and positive reinforcement. German Shepherds respond best to clear and concise commands, paired with rewards for good behavior. This breed is highly motivated by praise, treats, and playtime, making it relatively easy to train them. However, it is crucial to avoid harsh training methods or punishment, as German Shepherds can become fearful or resistant if treated harshly. Starting obedience training from a young age is highly beneficial for German Shepherds. Puppies are like sponges when it comes to learning, and their brains are more receptive to new information and commands. Basic commands, such as sit and stay, can be introduced as early as 8 weeks old. As the dog grows, more complex commands can be added to their training routine. Consistency is key during the training process, as German Shepherds rely on repetition and routine to solidify their learning. Basic obedience training should be combined with socialization for German Shepherds. It is essential for them to interact with other dogs, animals, and people to ensure they are well-rounded and confident in various environments. Obedience tests often involve distractions, so exposing German Shepherds to different stimuli is vital to their success in these tests. In addition to obedience training, physical exercise plays a crucial role in a German Shepherd's overall well-being and ability to perform in obedience tests. These dogs are energetic and require mental and physical stimulation to prevent boredom and destructive behavior. A tired dog is more focused and receptive to training, so incorporating regular exercise into their routine is a must. It is important to note that not all German Shepherds will excel in obedience tests. While the breed as a whole is highly trainable, individual differences should be taken into account. Some German Shepherds may have a more independent streak or a higher prey drive, which may affect their performance in obedience tests. However, with the right training techniques and patience, most German Shepherds can achieve a high level of obedience. When considering training a German Shepherd for obedience tests, it is also important to be aware of any breed-specific challenges. German Shepherds have a predisposition to certain health conditions, such as hip dysplasia and degenerative myelopathy. These conditions can affect their mobility and physical abilities. Therefore, it is crucial to work closely with a veterinarian to ensure the dog is in optimal health and can safely participate in obedience tests. In conclusion, German Shepherds can indeed be trained for obedience tests. Their intelligence, eagerness to please, and trainability make them excellent candidates for such tests. With consistent training, positive reinforcement, and proper socialization, German Shepherds can master various commands and behaviors required for obedience tests. However, it is important to remember that not all German Shepherds will excel in these tests due to individual differences. Nonetheless, with the right approach, German Shepherds can thrive in obedience training and showcase their incredible abilities.